So here's viral LENSA AI app, photo and video editor. And yeah, it went viral after this update, Magic Avatars, where you can create like AI avatars for you. So this is a new viral trend. This is a new category of apps. Yeah, where a lot of apps, either on web, there is an app avatarai.me and some other websites. Basically, you just upload your own image or like few images, and then this app generates a model using AI, and then it brings you back like many more avatars, which you can use on different chat messengers, like to your friends, to your like dating profiles, whatever. So yeah, here's for example how you create an account. Perfect selfies in one tap, unlock your creativity, and then get started. I just want to see if there is some free trial available. Yeah, so there is an option to subscribe for $29.99 per year, or there is also like a free trial as well. So, but you can still access some like very limited option, I think, without that. So here you just go through a standard process, and then you just created your own account. So something like that, and then you can just add some photos, give access to your camera roll, and then start creating all these avatars. Hope that is helpful.